Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to use Google Gemini to automatically transcribe audio or video to text transcripts. If you're wondering whether Google Gemini can transcribe audio, the answer is yes, it definitely can, and here's how to do it. Start by opening Google Gemini. On the main screen, you'll see an Add Files option. Click on it, then choose Upload Files. Navigate to the folder where your audio or video file is saved, select the file you want to transcribe, and click Open. After the file uploads, simply type a prompt asking Gemini to transcribe the content into text, and then press Submit. Gemini will begin processing the file in the background. Within a few moments, you'll see the transcript generated on your screen. The process is fast and straightforward. Once the transcript appears, you can copy the text and paste it into any note-taking or editing application, such as Notepad. If needed, you can also listen to the audio alongside the text. And that's it, just copy, paste, and your transcript is ready to use. That's how you can automatically convert audio or video files into text using Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.